I remember the night of my 21st birthday. That was the first time I died.
Staccato! Oh, it's staccato. Come on, wake up, sunshine.
Hey, we got company.
Drive, goddammit!
Hold on to your lunch.
Christ, Mike. You're gonna kill us. Come on, hold up and help me out.
This is a New York City Police Department. Stop the car and step out with your hands in the air.
Anytime you're ready, Jackie. Take your time. Don't worry about me.
Uniforms.
You crazy bastard!
You wanna try, jackass?
Race that guy on the left. I get the one trailing. You missed. Come on, they're gaining on us. Oh, fuck me!
You know. Oh shit. Jackie, you gotta get up here. Take Dino's place. I can't lose this guy. Scrunch one more. New York's finest. Easy. Hold on to your nutsack. Holy shit, look out. Need some more company, huh? Like hats, guns, something to do with this? I say ambulance. Damn fucking bush. This sucks, donkey dick. Oh God, it hurts. Ah! Jesus, I wouldn't want to do that again. Ah. Oh man, would you look at that? These pants cost me $400 so at South. Now they got bloodstains all over them. Some fucking 21st birthday for you, huh? Here. Got your present.
Thanks, Mikey.
Attaboy, Jackie. You look after those pieces and use them well. This looks real bad. Jackie. I'll go find out what's going on. Get out of here.
They sent the money over to the wrong wagon. They said I didn't have to pay it back either. Jesus. I'm pretty sure.
Hey, it's your Uncle Paul. You know you've been a pain in my ass since the day I met you. Pissing and moaning about the way you do. You only know who's calling the shots in this family. I've been very jealous of you, Jackie. In fact, I got a surprise for you. On your birthday. It's in the closet. Have a blast.
Jenny, it's me, Jackie.
Hi, baby. Happy birthday. I just got into my new place. I thought you were gonna help me unpack.
Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. Things got kind of screwed up at work.
Again? That's too bad. I have a surprise for you.
I can't talk right now, but I'll be there soon. I promise.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Look, just remind me again how to get to your new place.
It's on Orchid Street here in Chinatown. It's just next to the basketball court. It's apartment number 11. Oh, but you'll have to go around back through Mulberry Alley. They're doing repairs or something on the front door. Are you on your way now?
I'll be over as soon as I can. Now do me a favor. Just don't open the door till you know it's me.
I'm a big girl, straight man. I can take care of myself. I'll see you when you get here.
Hey, humor me just this once. Okay? Now I gotta run. Bye.
Jackie! Hello, I'm here. Hey, you found me. Come on upstairs, it's apartment 11. Jackie! Oh my God. Can you believe this place? Come here, look on the kitchen table. Surprise! Cake. You won't believe this. Look, Giancarlo spelled your name wrong again. Well, you gonna blow out the candles? Happy birthday, rat face. You're finally legal. Are you okay, babe? You're being kind of quiet.
I got a real problem, Jenny. Something happened today with my Uncle Paulie, and it's a real bad situation.
Polly? What kind of situation?
Okay. See, here's the thing. I was supposed to collect some money from my Uncle Paulie downtown, only the money wasn't there. And now Uncle Paulie's kind of pissed at me.
I'm sure it's gonna be okay. It's been like 9 years since he took you home from the orphanage. Your Uncle Paulie likes you, doesn't he?
Jenny, baby, you don't get it. Uncle Paulie isn't a teddy bear. He's a fucking psychopath. And he's gonna kill me.
Kill you? What are you talking about? What exactly do you do for your Uncle Paulie anyway?
Ever been in love with somebody who was so beautiful and pure, you couldn't bear to show them your own darkness? That's how I feel about you. We grew up together in St. Mary's Orphanage. I guess I'm gonna have to tell you the truth about what kind of scumbag I really am. But what the hell am I gonna say? I'm a kill people for the Franchetti crime family.
Hello, Jackie. I heard about what happened tonight. I don't need to point out to you, this is a bad situation. You better come and see me.
Now listen, Butch. Things are happening. I'm about to get my ass handed to me by a very nasty scumbag whose name rhymes with Paulie Franchetti.
Okay, now I want you to notice, I do this only for you because of who your father was.